Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Have you ever wondered in a place where everyone knew something was wrong, but nobody said a word? Maybe they were scared of being judged, ignored or punished. Now imagine the opposite, a workplace where everyone feels safe to speak their mind, share ideas and even challenge unfair decisions without fear. That is what we call a speak up culture, and it is one of the most powerful outcomes of implementing ISO 30415, the international standard for diversity and inclusion. ISO 30415 doesn't just talk about equality, it creates systems that makes fairness and respect a daily reality. In this video, we will explore how organizations can use ISO 30415 to build a strong speak up culture where employees feel valued, heard, and truly part of the organization. Now, first of all, let's discuss what is a speak up culture. A speak up culture is an environment where employees feel free to express their opinions, raise concerns, or report misconduct without fear of retaliation. It is not just about allowing people to speak, it is about encouraging them to do so confidently and respectfully. In our speak up culture, everyone from interns to executives understand that their voice matters. This culture thrives on psychological safety, a concept strongly supported by ISO 30415. Psychological safety means people know they won't be punished or humiliated for speaking up with ideas, questions, or mistakes. Now, ISO 30415 and the power of voice. ISO 30415 promotes fairness, equity, and inclusion. And at its core, that means giving people a voice. The standard ensures that organizations build systems that provide equal opportunities for all, create safe feedback and complaint channels, encourage leadership accountability, promote open communication and mutual respect. In simple terms, diversity brings different voices to the table, and inclusion ensures those voices are heard and valued. A workplace may hire diverse people, but if they don't feel safe to speak, that diversity means nothing. Why employees stay silent? Before we can create a culture of speaking up, we must understand why people often stay silent. Many employees fear that their opinions might backfire or that management won't take their feedback seriously. Others may have faced retaliation in the past or believe that nothing ever changes. Silence often stems from a lack of trust, fear of judgment, or an overly hierarchical environment. ISO 30415 helps organizations tackle these fears by establishing systems of fairness, confidentiality, and open dialogue. When employees see their input leads to action, silence turns into confidence. Active listening, the heart of inclusion. A speak up culture is not just about speaking, it is about listening. Active listening means leaders and managers must genuinely pay attention, show empathy, and take visible actions based on feedback. When people feel heard, their loyalty and engagement grow. ISO 30415 encourages building this listening culture through feedback loops, open door policies, and transparent communication. Remember, the moment employees believe nothing happens when we speak, the culture of silence returns. Now, training and awareness for everyone. Awareness and education are key drivers of an inclusive culture. ISO 30415 emphasizes training programs that focus on diversity awareness, inclusive communication, unconscious bias, and respectful behavior. Organizations should regularly train managers on how to handle complaints sensitively and promote openness. Employees, on the other hand, should learn how to express their views constructively. The goal is to make inclusion a daily habit, not just a policy. Now, measuring speak up culture. To know whether your speak up culture is working, you must measure it. ISO 30415 supports tracking indicators such as the number of employee feedbacks, resolution time, satisfaction scores, and employee trust levels. Anonymous engagement surveys, whistleblower reports, and open forums can also provide valuable insights. When organizations act transparently and communicate results, employees feel that their voices truly drive improvement. Your voice is your power. A speak up culture is not just an HR initiative, it is a reflection of how much an organization values its people. ISO 30415 gives organizations the structure to make this possible. When employees feel safe to raise their voice, trust grows, innovation blooms, and fairness becomes part of everyday life. Speaking up should never feel risky, it should feel empowering. So, the next time you see something wrong or have an idea for change, remember this: your voice has the power to make your workplace better. And ISO 30415 helps turn that power into lasting impact. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.